This No Fear Pinball Machine's been in storage for some time and needs a bit of cleaning up. This machine's got some great graphics and outstanding features. So we're going to strip this pinball machine down to its playing field, get it clean and working. All the incandescent lamps will be replaced with LEDs and everything under here will be serviced and checked. Here's the table without any of its ramps and features. Now it's stripped nearly completely down. Here we can see the playing field has been cleaned and restored. And finally a playing field protector will be installed. And here's the finished machine. Thanks for watching our first video short. If you've got a pinball machine that needs refurbishing, we can definitely help.